Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I want to show you how to program a transponder key. Okay, I read up online and it said that you needed to have a transponder key and one that was already programmed. When I bought this car a year ago, this is the only key that they gave us. And it's really simple. You just turn the key on for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you take out the key that's already programmed and you put in the other key, the transponder key. Then you turn it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you should be able to start the car with the transponder key. Let's see if it works. Well, there you go. Maybe I did it wrong. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. What do you know? Second time's a charm. It worked good. So, that's how you program a transponder key. If you do it right, you will have it work the first time instead of the second. Thank you so much for watching. God bless, and see you next time.